Hey, it's Chris O. I've had 5 minutes to think about it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go a full tile off that wall. I will have a 30mm cut just at my waist, but so be it. It's all going to be centralised. If that was a 4-inch waist and I could move things around, I would bring it this way just slightly, but I can't. I'm hemmed in there, so I'll have a 30 or 40mm cut there. I don't want to have it on the floor and then I follow it off my walls. So that will be a full tile about that width, which is 150, and it'll be going up there and up there. I haven't got any small cuts, so that's the best way. Would have been nice to start a full tile there and then come out here and have a bigger cut there, but I want my shower as big as possible. See you soon. Ciao.